Good morning, futures traders. This is David on Wednesday, August 3rd, 2022, and the time is 8:49. Getting a little start early. I think it's gonna, the Nasdaq is up 155 points. The VIX is kind of down, 8:49. So let's give it a start. Oil and see what happens.
Order filled.
Looks like it wants to go up. Keep going, baby. Oh yeah, here it goes again. And Guy's gonna go first.
Order filled.
Yep.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Keep going. Come on, ES. You can make my target today. Make my target. I'm not giving up on it.
Order canceled.
Yep, I'm out. Come on, reload, baby. Get back up there. A little pullback. Here we go. Come on. Yeah, come on. Get up there again. See, that's why I let go of this on the ES, because I was showing red over here. Let's see how I did. 252 bucks. Yeah, I had to get out of that one. So let's see what it's going to do. $73, $74, $73, $74, $75, $76. Let's get back up there. Yeah, 71s. 75s. Come on, drive it up, guys. Get in there, buyers. There's the buyers. Come on, buyers. $81, $82.
Order filled.
See what oil can do. Come on, get up there. Come on, oil, my baby oil. $50. That's usually a support area. I'm not giving up. One more push up. Come on, get up there. There it goes. Come on, get up there. There we go. It's when it goes, it's going to go fast. That's what oil usually does. It's like a bobber, like fish. It's actually a typical Wednesday. Get your money and you get out.
Order submitted.
Here we go. Attaboy.
Target filled.
Oil just being a little
Stop
reluctant.
filled. Order canceled.
There we go. Get going.
Order canceled.
Get going, oil. I want to see this come right up to here. 64, 59, 60, 61, 62. There we go. 61. Come on. 61, 60. Come on, 60s. Stay in the 60s. 60s. Fuck. Oops, I mean. Jeez. Oil's just being a booger. Come on, 60. There we go.
Order canceled.
There we go. Holy cow. That was a rough ride. Ugh. That's just pulling right back into it.
Order filled.
Okay. Let's assess. Didn't quite get it on here. I'm up here, and I'm way up on that. So 6, 7, 8, 9,000 roughly. Yeah, that was a rough ride. So, all right, and the time is 8:58. So, this isn't probably the optimal time. Looks like NQ wants to go up. Nice move up. We caught that. All right, let's look at the strategy performance. Wow, that was a rough ride. 135, so roughly 1,600. ES, I know, isn't going to be great. That was 122, so roughly 150 bucks. Take that. It's a gain. It's a plus. And then 244, about 5,800. So the NQ is our big winner today. So roughly, like I said, 6,559, 59 plus 16 plus 150. That's $7,600 for the 8 minutes of up and down. All right, thank you for watching. I will keep making videos.